Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing the general servicing of the Skoda Rapid. Now the Skoda group, being a part of Volkswagen, is a German car, and the Germans are known for their perfection and attention to detail, and they are known to be extremely reliable. Similarly, we at MotoFyx believe in accuracy and love to pamper your car. Now guys, in today's video, we are going to be documenting everything that gets covered in our general servicing with regards to the genuine OEM parts that we use, the pricing of the genuine OEM parts that we use, and all the inspections that get done, the underbody, the electrical inspection, and many more. So stay tuned till the end of the video and make sure to hit that like button if you do enjoy this video. Now guys, MotoFyx is India's fastest growing network of new age car repair workshops that believes in a complete transparent and hassle-free relationship with our customers. With over 100 workshops scattered all across the country in 5 major cities and over 1.5 lakh happy customers, we are the best when it comes to automobile repair work and service work on your car. Now if you happen to visit any of our workshops, you will see that we use the latest in tools and technology, and we have a team of highly skilled technicians taking care of your car at all times. Now guys, we only use genuine OEM parts, we also provide a free pickup and drop service, and we send you a real-time update of the work that gets done on your car. Now guys, if you're stumbling upon this video for the first time, consider subscribing because we make a ton of automobile related content with regards to the service work that gets done at our workshops, also painting and denting work, and we have also made videos of used cars with MotoFyx Advantage where you can buy a car with a 1-year unconditional MotoFyx Advantage warranty. You can also follow us on Instagram where you'll get daily updates of work that gets done at our workshops. Anyway guys, let's get started with the video. Now guys, before we get started with the video, let's talk about the pricing of the spare parts that we're going to be using in our general servicing. So first, we're going to be changing the oil. We're going to be using the 5W40 oil. The owner has approved and he wants us to use the 5W fully synthetic oil. Remember guys, we use the 5W30 oil in our general servicing, but you can upgrade to a 5W40 fully synthetic oil like how we're doing it in this car, and that will boost up the performance of your car. This oil comes for 2,500 rupees. Now with the oil change, we have to also change the oil filter, and this oil filter, this is the Volkswagen, the Skoda oil filter, comes for 466 rupees. The next thing that we're going to top up in this car is the coolant. Now the coolant, this particular coolant that is recommended for the Skoda Rapid, this particular coolant costs 500 rupees. The next thing that we're also going to be topping up in this car is the brake fluid. This is the .4 brake fluid, and this costs 205 rupees. We're also going to be examining and checking the air filter and the AC filter. The air filter for the Skoda Rapid comes for 650 rupees. We're also going to be examining and checking the AC filter, and if the AC filter and the air filter are good, we're going to be servicing them and using the same one. If they're not, we're going to be changing them, but after the approval of the owner. The air filter, this air filter comes for 550 rupees. This is the Volkswagen Group, the air filter recommended for this Skoda Rapid. Let's get started with the video. Now guys, the first thing that we're going to be doing in the general servicing is protecting your car, where we're going to be putting a fender protection and a seat protection so that your car is protected at all times. Now before we do that, I want to introduce our head technicians who are going to be working on your car today. We have Mr. Abu and Mr. Imtiaz who are going to be doing the work on this. Now guys, the first thing that we do is protect your car, and we put a seat cover to protect the car while you're working from the insides, and a fender protection so that your car is protected at all times while our technicians are working on your car. Now guys, in the next step, we are going to be lifting the car up on the hydraulic ramp, and we are going to be demounting all 4 tires and doing the brake examination, where we're going to be examining the front disc brakes and the rear drum brakes. So now that I've demounted all 4 tires, we're going to be checking the health of the front disc brakes and the brake pads. So the brake pads are going to be examined, and the life is going to be examined, and a real-time update is going to be shared with the owner. They're also going to be polished and put back in. We're also going to be greasing the pin of the front brake pads. Now guys, this is the condition of the present disc pads, and this is the new one. So after taking approval from the owner, we have changed it and we're going to be installing the new pads, and we have also skimmed the disc. This is also done, and this is at an extra cost, not part of our general servicing, but we have also skimmed the disc for this Skoda Rapid. Now guys, before we install back the skimmed disc and the new brake pads, we are going to be greasing the pin. This is also very important and needs to be done every time the brakes are getting serviced. This will also be done by a head technician before we assemble the entire unit back together. This is done for both the front tires. So now we are going to be installing the new brake pads in. We have the disc that has come from skimming. Now that we're done with the front disc brakes, the servicing of the front disc brakes, we are at the rear drum brakes. So we're going to remove them, and we're going to examine what's the health. We're going to see for any leakages in the cylinder, and a technician is going to be servicing the lining with a sandpaper. After making sure that the lining is in good health, we're going to be sand polishing the lining and then air servicing the entire drum brake and then assembling it back together. This is also part of our general servicing.
Now, as we can observe here, there's a significant amount of oil leakage from the engine bay. Near the oil sump, there's an impact under the oil sump. You can observe the axle oil seal being leaked. As for the rear end, there's a hanger that's completely broken, silencer hanger. You can observe the impact. The rear shock absorber is also leakage. It's a critical leakage. We need to replace the entire suspension. The fuel tank is completely intact. We need not to replace any part for that. We are also going to inspect the lower arm, the tie rod end. Front suspension, we can observe a critical damage of the boot and kit. We need to replace the strut assembly, the mounting, and other parts as well. All the above reports is being shared with the customer. Once we get the approval from the customer, we share the pricing, availability of the parts. We then proceed with the replacement of the parts as well. All the inspection is being carried out on the general servicing, like from the front suspension, rear suspension, the brake pads, also with the silencer impact.
Now in the next step, we're going to be draining out the old oil and replacing it with the new oil. We're also going to be changing the oil filter. Every time you change the oil filter needs to be changed. A real-time update of this is also shared with the owner. Now we're going to be tightening the drain plug after draining out all the oil. And we're going to lower the car down. We're going to mount all 4 tires, lower the car down and change the oil filter and fill in the new oil. Now we're going to be changing the oil filter. So we're going to be replacing the oil filter with the new one. This is the original Volkswagen or the Skoda Rapid oil filter. And a real-time update of this is also shared with the owner. Having installed the new oil filter, we're going to be filling in the new oil. In this car today, we are going to be putting the 5W40 oil, a fully synthetic oil as per the owner's request. Now guys, we're going to be filling this engine with this 5W40 fully synthetic oil. Guys, this owner has opted for the 5W40 fully synthetic oil, which will boost up the performance of your engine. In our general servicing, we provide the 5W30 oil, the regular oil, but you can choose to boost up your engine's performance by using the 5W40 fully synthetic oil. After filling in the new oil, our technician is going to check the level of the gauge to make sure that the amount is the right amount of oil that's gone inside the engine. Next, we're going to be topping up the coolant of this car. We check the maximum level and the minimum level, and we're going to be topping up the coolant of this car. This is the coolant that's required for the Skoda Rapid. And after this, we move on to the brake fluid, the .4 brake fluid. Now we're going to be topping up the .4 brake fluid for this car. We're going to make sure that it reaches up to the maximum level so that the brakes are performing perfectly. So in the next step, we're going to be checking the air filter. We're going to be checking the condition of the air filter and we're going to be servicing it if it's possible. Otherwise, we're going to be replacing it. Before replacing it, we're going to take an approval from the owner. So first, our technician is going to be checking the health of the air filter. And this is the condition of the new air filter as compared to the old one. So as per our technician, this has to be replaced and we've gotten approval from the owner. So we're going to be replacing it with this new air filter. This is the genuine Volkswagen Skoda air filter for this Skoda Rapid. A real-time update of this is also shared with the owner before we change it. Now our technician is going to be removing the AC filter and checking its health. Now we are going to be checking the air filter. This is the condition of the old air filter as compared to the new one. And according to our technicians, it has to be replaced. We have gotten approval from the owner and we are going to be replacing the AC filter. So next we are going to be doing the inspection of the battery. We are going to be checking the health of the battery and how much life it has left. So we have a multimeter with us and a technician is going to be checking the battery, the output, the amount of voltage that it has. We're going to start the car up and switch on the headlamps and check the health of the battery. So now we are going to be checking the health of the spark plugs. We are going to be checking all 4 spark plugs. We are going to remove it and we are going to be checking the health with a filler gauge.
So this is the feeler gauge which we'll be using to inspect the gap between the spark plug electrodes. Spark plug gap is the electrodes are being diagnosed for the lower thickness and the upper electrodes. We'll be inspecting the shank for any cracks. We'll be inspecting the terminals for any carbon deposition. We'll be inspecting all the 4 spark plugs of the engine. And accordingly, if replacement is required, we'll replace the spark plug as well.
Now the second last step that we do is checking the electricals of the car. We're going to be checking the headlamps, the tail lamps, the fog lamps, the side indicators, the horn. We're also going to be checking the interiors, the power windows, and we're going to be checking that there's no warning lights on the dashboard and even the FM. All these are going to be checked in our general servicing. Now guys, if you have watched the video all the way till here, make sure to hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel because we make a ton of automobile related content. And guys, you can also follow us on Instagram where you can see daily updates of work that gets done in our workshops.
Lights, upper dipper, wiper spray, lights, brakes, reverse, fog. Okay.
Now in the interiors, we're also going to be checking the AC, the FM. We're also going to be checking for any warning lights on the dashboard, the power windows. We're also going to be checking the cabin light. All the electronics from the interior and the exterior is examined, and if anything is not functioning, a report is going to be sent to the owner and further action will be taken. So guys, in this Skoda Rapid there is a ABS sensor light coming, so we are going to be using an OBD2 scanner to scan and see what the faulty codes are. We will come to know immediately what exactly is wrong and how we can diagnose this issue. So our OBD scanner has diagnosed the issue and we know that it is a rear left and a rear right issue, the electrical failure in the rear right. This information is going to be shared with the owner once before we take any further action. Now we are the last step. All the electrical checking is done and now we are going to be taking the car and putting it in the washing bay and we are going to be washing the car thoroughly. From the exterior we are going to do a complete foam wash of the car. In the interior we are going to do a vacuuming, a dashboard polishing, a engine bay polishing and also the tire polishing. All this is part of our general servicing. We are also going to be greasing the hinges of the door. And with the washing, the car is done with the general servicing and it's ready to head back to the owner. Now guys, the cost of the general servicing of this Skoda Rapid has been 5,499 rupees only, and that is with the 5W40 oil. Now 5W40 oil is recommended for all Skoda Volkswagen cars and you can use 5W40 in your car as well to boost the performance of your engine. Now the recommended time when the service is due for this car is 15,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. Anyway guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you all did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for a lot of more automobile content. And also guys, remember you can follow us on Instagram where you'll get daily updates of work that gets done in our workshops. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe, cheers.